Hello, it's Robin McNeill with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension in a program called EFNEP. And I'm here today, we're going to talk about the right measure. We're going to look at dry measuring cups, which are used to measure ingredients such as flour, sugar. Any dry ingredient would go in this type of cup, measuring cup. All right, your liquid ingredients would go in this type of cup. This is a liquid measuring cup, so it would be used to measure anything such as milk, juice, whatever liquidy would be in this liquid measuring cup. Also, we have measuring spoons, okay, which you have tablespoon, your teaspoon, your half teaspoon, and then you have your really small 1/4 teaspoon. So I'm going to show you now how to measure with these, okay? So let's start with, let's do half a cup, okay? Half a cup. Yeah, half a cup. We're going to do that. All right, so we're going to measure some sugar. So we have sugar here. And we're going to start putting sugar in our half cup, dry measuring cup. Want to keep it going. Remember, any of your ingredients, even ingredients like yogurt and peanut butter, you would measure in your dry measuring cup, okay? Because the sticky ingredients also go in this cup. And sometimes you have to push it down because of the air pocket, especially in the sticky ingredients. But here we're just going to keep filling with sugar. All right, so then I'm going to take a straight edge, which I have a plastic knife, and I'm going to take it, I'm going to go over it to make sure that I have exactly half cup of sugar, and I do, see? Okay, so then I'm going to close this, put this to the side. We've measured with our dry measuring cup. Now we're going to look at our measuring spoons. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure a half teaspoon. So let me get the half teaspoon. All right, so our half teaspoon, we're going to measure some onion powder, okay? So I'm going to take it, I'm going to stick it down inside of it. And you see it's kind of overflowing again, or heaping, as sometimes recipes will call for that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my straight edge and I'm going to level it again to make sure I have exactly a half teaspoon, and I do. So then I'm going to dump it in here in my bowl. So I have a half teaspoon. Okay. Then we're going to measure with a liquid measuring cup. And this time we want a half cup. So with a liquid measuring cup, we're going to put it on a flat surface such as my counter. And we're going to measure some almond milk. So this time I'm going to lean down and I'm going to look and I'm going to see till I get to a half cup. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to lean down to it to make sure it's half a cup. I'm not going to hold it up because I want to have the right measure. Remember that. So I now have a half cup of almond milk. I have a half cup of sugar in my dry measuring cup. Remember, this was the liquid measuring cup. And then I have measured a half teaspoon of onion powder. So I'm ready to make something. So because now I have the right measure.